The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Monday morning, fellas. Back at it, guys. Sally, Earl, Dennis, Tim. Guys, good morning. Good morning. I apologize for Friday. For those of you that may be unaware, if you are not checking Skype or did not know, myself and my wife both have COVID. But I think the worst of it is over here. Yeah, this is COVID due. This is the second go around for me with COVID. Interestingly, the first time I had COVID, which was about, 20 months ago, I didn't miss a day of work. And it was, frankly, overall, much worse the first version of the virus. I think this may be this most recent version. But I was bad enough on Friday, I just didn't feel I could trade. And given the fact that, I'm in a position where I may be suggesting trades to you guys, obviously it makes sense that I feel competent enough to do that. And I did not feel that on Friday. I don't think we did miss a pretty good sell on Friday. But if you look at Friday, man, the volume. Thursday was the lowest volume traded day of the year. Friday may not have been because it was options expiration. But nonetheless, this morning we're starting out fairly choppy. I've just shut my ES bot off. The bots are down 1,900, and it is on this chop. I just closed this trade at break even and shut that bot off. I will leave that bot off until the market opens. I did get a great email from one of our members. One of our members, Anthony, sent me an email over the weekend. Hi, Bob. Hope all is well. Wanted to take a minute to say thank you. I was able to pass my Apex funding combine this past Friday with the bots. I tried in the past with other bots, but always fell short. With your bots and your method on how to pass the combine, it finally happened. Remember, there is a 3-video series in the member area. I believe in giving people credit where it's due, and I blah, blah, blah. Let's see. That's it. In any event, we had a member that has passed, another member that has passed using the bots. Today has started out chop on the ES. I'll go over levels momentarily. We do have 2 of you. If you guys are in the room, welcome back. 2 trials from last week that I invited back because I missed Friday and wanted you guys to get another couple of days in the room. So if you are in the room, welcome back. I think there's no need for me to go over. We have no new trial starting today. There's no need for me to go over what you guys will see in the room. I think you should be familiar with it, the bots and, of course, order flow trades. Last week was a decent bot trade, not a great bot trade. The bots were up I ran them on Friday, even though I didn't trade Friday or we weren't in the room. And they had an up day. For the week, the bots would have been up about 2,100. Not much. I mean, decent, but not much. Maybe to be expected, end of summer, low volume, but order flow trades, we massacred it last week. We had a great order flow trading week. We'll see if we can continue that this week. I think we can. Couple of things before I get into the disclaimer, and then we'll go through some charts. For those of you guys that were in the first order flow class number 1, you should know who you are. Your memberships that accompanied that will be expiring on September 1st, so another week. I will be sending you guys all out an email letting you know that and giving you your options to remain, whether you want to continue on a month-to-month basis or you'd like to. Good morning, Sam. Or you guys would like to. I offer an annual discount, a yearly discount if you want to join for the year. And those of you guys that would like to remain, you will have an option. You can choose. The other thing is, for those of you that have already signed up for the next order flow class, we will begin in a couple of weeks. If anyone is interested in the order flow class, there are 3 slots left. That's it, 3. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. I'm sure today's webinar will be punctuated with my coughing, and I'll try to mute when I can. So if anybody is interested in the order flow class, this will be the most extensive class I have done. I'm adding a few things into it. Please reach out to me, okay? I'm waiting to get the emails that guys don't know it's a new link. That's coming. All right. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Quickly, 10,250 is the target on natural gas. Man, that's a big move overnight. Big move. Out on the runners on gas. What is that, Greg? I don't know what that is. Yeah, the ES. Oh, grabbed a short. Okay. I think we're coming down. I don't think the ES. I mean, I'd really like to see a push into 41.90 to 200 to short. I would expect us to fail VWAP. I don't think we're going anywhere initially. I think the shorts will try to press them for sure. Good morning, Claudia. Thank you for that. A little bit of news here. Oh, that's a beat. It was a big mover. There's your short. Now we're at 1,500 sellers. First target on the NASDAQ is going to be 13,000, maybe 10. 13,010 from 46. 13,010 from 46. $1,600 sellers. I mean, they're not killing it yet. No buyers here, guys. None yet. Come on, give me 10. $1,700 sellers. All right. Holding those damn pivots on the hourly, but I think they break. We could pop back to 70. We're just floating. Come on, break down below 26 and go. Just does not want. New 10-minute candle. Come on, we're flattening out here. Break down below 28. $1,700 sellers. Well, one thing's for sure. We're going to sprint out of this zone one way or another. Come on. All right. I'm bored with this frickin' trade already. That's what's got to go. Short NASDAQ. It's coming down. It's just a really slow, choppy trade. God dang, is it choppy. Back to 1,400 sellers. All right. Back into this zone. This zone has to break here. Come on. Are you kidding? 1,500 sellers again. Break that swing low at 21 and we come down to 990. Come on, push here. There we go. Come on, push. 990. There we go. Come on. Now you'll get that 210 target that we talked about. There's 13,010 I meant. 13,010. Hope you guys are short. Thank you, Brad. Come on, give me 990. Should get 992. It's being a jerk. You can take some risk off if you want. This should now be a piece of resistance. No buyers, guys. 2,200 sellers. Patience. Patience. Come on. 2,250 on the sell side. The 10 o'clock candle will, if we get this hourly close below 30, hourly close below 30, I think the selling accelerates. Target is going to be 990, 991. If we blow that area, you can target 880. 880. So that was support. It's now your resistance, right? That pivot. Top of the hour is not for 9 minutes. As long as we stay below this, it's FUBARD. As long as we don't go above 31 on the hourly, I want to stay below this at 10 o'clock. Thank you, Greg. Yeah, that'll take us to that 880, I would suspect. Nice job, Ozzy. Nice job, James. I'm 1,400. Okay. I found about 700 buyers in the NASDAQ. Patience, fellas. Hard to believe, but no ES, no NASDAQ bot trades, nothing. Still think we're coming to 28. Yeah, here we come. Trying. Sellers are getting soft. They just bought 6, 7, 8, almost 900 contracts in the previous two 3-minute bars. And now we've got 70 sellers. 30 minutes into it. Here comes the 10 o'clock candle, which is what I want to see. And we're right on this. All right. There's our 28, and now I think we're coming down. There we go. Now I think we're going to break. Now that's resistance here again, 31. All right, so target one is off at 28. Target again, if you're short, 92. Still have a 91, 92, 90 target. Get this chop. Come on, break 05. Back to 1800 sellers. So we've got selling pressure again. We need to take out that little 05 swing, 05 half. There we go. There we go, guys. If we break this 05, we'll get that target. We held the bottom. Well, we still got a decent trade out of that. Yep, that's support. I don't think it holds. We still have 1,900 sellers. Look at this, right back. It's a Monday trade, fellas. What I don't like is that they couldn't break this down below that 05. I still think we're coming lower. And the resistance is at 31 again. That's that pivot. If they break above, you know, if this breaks above this area in here, that's going to find buyers. We're oversold on the small time frames. Sellers trying to get at this 05. We're at 16 half now. They bought 118 back on this reload. They've sold 40, 50. We're at 19 and change, closing in on 2,000 again. It's so odd they can't bust this thing out at the seams. Here comes the low of the day again, over 2,000. They're going to try 05 again. They're going to try 05 again. It's going to break this time. If they hit 2,200 sellers. Come on, dog. 10:30, I'll get a volume update. They're going to break it. If you're holding shorts, it's going to go. There it goes. They got him now. All right, guys. Target is 991, 990, 990. If you're still short, 990. Jesus. Watch the bounce. This is the sucky part of summer trading. There's just not enough volume. Gold's above VWAP. I'm not a gold fan, but it's above VWAP. There they come. 991. Can't wait to get out of this summer trading, guys. A couple weeks and we're done with this crap. Almost to that 90. Here comes 4160 on ES. $2,200, $2,300 net sellers. All right, there's target. You guys should be flat unless you're trying to hold for a lotto. Unless you guys are, holding for a lottery. If we break below 80 or so on the NASDAQ, 880 is your target. 980 to 880. And not a damn bot trade. Not one. 45 minutes into the cash session, not a bot trade. This could bounce back to 13. And G took a short trade for me. Nice job, Sharon. Anybody holding shorts on NASDAQ? Anybody holding shorts still? Okay, Randy, one guy. Okay. They're trying to hold this area. You can try a long.